Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one is going to be for the 12,000 kilometers maintenance service. Anyway, starting with the list of things, it's a very small service, it's a very basic one, so not much is to be done. Front paddock, the engine oil that I've been using from Motul, you can check my previous videos for why I use this particular oil. Then the service manual, basic toolkit, a torque wrench, and the oil collecting pan. As I said, it's a very basic service, and most of the things that I'm going to do today has been covered in my previous videos, so I'm not going to be talking or describing much. First thing I'll be starting with is draining the oil, and by the time it's completely drained, I'll be opening the fuel tank to access the air filter element. The air filter element needs to be cleaned, no replacement needed. Let's get started. Done with the air filter cleaning, oil replacement. One thing that I generally do after monsoons additionally is cleaning the bobbins. Just to give you a very brief information, this is a semi-floating disc brake, so this metal is different, this metal is different, and these both are connected via rotating bobbins, which you can see over here. So in case of very high temperatures, when you are applying the brakes, this tend to heat up, so it might expand and contract when it cools down, so it needs certain space to accommodate that physical property changes. So there's a little gap over here, and these are the rotating ones, so these tend to collect a lot of mud and dirt, specifically after monsoons, so it's mandatory to clean them. All these greasing points are a little bit tricky to approach. So what I have done is I have this grease from OKS brand. It's a very high quality grease. I'm using an injection. I filled it up inside. So I took the plunger completely off. I pushed the grease inside, and then I'm using this thing to squeeze the grease inside where it's needed. Then just push it gently, and we are done.